Did you know that you can actually free up some storage on your iPhone using shared albums? But is it really safe? Does it keep the original quality? And most importantly, if you delete the original photos, can you get them back later? Today, I'll show you how shared albums work, how to use them correctly, and whether this is actually a good idea or not. So basically, shared albums allow you to upload photos and videos to Apple's servers and access them separately from your main photo library. Some people use this as a trick to save storage on their iPhone, but before you do that, there are a few important things you need to know. First, let's enable shared albums. Go to the settings, scroll down to the apps, and search for photos and turn on shared albums. Once this is enabled, you're ready to use this feature. Now go back to the Photos app, select the photos or videos you want to move, tap the Share button, then choose Add to Shared Album. Here, you can create a new shared album, give it any name you want, and tap Create. Your photos are now added to the shared album. If you go to Collections or Albums, you'll find a section called Shared Albums. Here, you'll find them. And here you can see all the photos and videos you've added. Now, the big question is, does this save storage? Yes, technically, it does. Because once your photos are in a shared album, you can delete the original copies from your iPhone, and that will free up storage. But this comes with a very important trade-off. The truth about quality is that shared albums do not keep the original quality. Photos are compressed and reduced in resolution. And videos are limited to around 720 pixels, even if the original was 4K. So if quality matters you, this is something you really need to think about. The second question, can you delete the original photos? Yes, you can delete them. And yes, your shared albums will still keep a copy. But once you delete the original, you can never recover the full quality version. So this is not a real backup. Is it safe or private? Shared albums are stored on Apple's servers, but they are not end-to-end encrypted. Also, anyone you invite can view, download, and save your photos. So I wouldn't recommend this for a private or sensitive content. So, should you use this or not? Shared albums are okay if you want to free up some space quickly, the photos are not important, you don't care about original quality. But if you want a real backup, you're better off using iCloud Photos, a computer, or an external drive. So yes, shared albums can help you save some storage, but now you know the full truth, the quality, loss, the privacy limits, and the risks. Use this feature wisely. If this video helped you, leave a like and follow for more iPhone tips.